In this video, we're going to present you some basic training, of course, the combo and form training, also with the intention sparring training.
Does it emphasize arm or leg techniques? Long fist develops both. How about long range, mid-range, or short-range fighting? Where is its strong point? Not a relevant question. Long fist uses all of them. Does it specialize in palm strikes? No. Long fist uses fist, palm, elbow, shoulder, torso, everything and everywhere. Does long fist's fighting strategy call for initiating the first strike or waiting for the opponent to attack before responding? Long fist uses all different fighting strategies. And very importantly, the fighting plan must never be pre-designed. Long fist is known for its proud and courageous spirit, which clearly can be seen in its forms. The postures are dramatic and expansive. The movements are complex and elegant. They are very beautiful to watch. When performed by a high-level practitioner, an additional depth and power shine through. A kip up, also called a rising handspring, kick up, Chinese get up, kick to stand, nip up, flip up, or carp skip up, is an acrobatic move in which a person transitions from a supine, and less commonly, a prone position, to a standing position. It is used in activities such as breakdancing, gymnastics, martial arts, specifically kung fu, professional wrestling, and freerunning, and in action film fight sequences. 1. Snap kick. The supporting leg is upright or slightly bent. The other leg by bending to stretch forward to pop, but high waist, knee straight, feet stretched flat, calf pop crisp strong, force up tiptoe. 2. Heels kick. Support legs upright or slightly bent. The other leg is bent to stretch. The tiptoe is lifted with the heel, high but the chest, low but the waist. The upper body is upright when the front pedal. The upper body is slightly sideways when the side pedal. When the back pedal, the upper body forward and backward kick become level. 3. Side kick. Support leg upright or slightly bent. The other leg from bend to stretch. Tiptoe inside buckle or outside swing with the soles of the feet. High kick and waist flat. Low kick and knee level. The upper body tilts sideways when kicking. 4. Front stretch kick. Support leg straight, full feet on the ground. The other leg knee straight, tiptoe forward kick, close to the forehead. The action should be brisk. The upper body to maintain integrity. 5. Side stretch kick. Tiptoe up, by the side of the body to the back of the head, the other is kicking. 6. Inside kick. The support leg naturally straight, full feet on the ground. The other leg kicks up from the side of the body and swings down through the front to the inside. Others are kicking. 7. Outside kick, with the legs, but swing in the opposite direction. 8. Front sweep. The upper body is upright, the supporting leg is bent to squat as the shaft. Sweep the leg straight, toe buckle, foot rub the ground, quickly sweep more than a week. 9. Back sweep. The upper body forward, hands push the ground, support leg squat shaft, sweep the leg straight, toe buckle, foot rub, quickly after a week. 10. Front slap kick, support leg straight, the other leg foot flat upward kick swing, the same side hand in front of the forehead to meet the foot, hit the beat to be accurate and loud.
Welcome back to Daily Kung Fu Training and Tutorial. This is Sifu JJ, the number 17. We presented 10 basics earlier in this video. The first one, snap kick, heel kick, side kick, front strike kick, side stretch kick, outside kick, inside kick, front sweep kick, back sweep kick, and slap kick. Amina Jen, hello, hi. Yes, my daughter. Yeah, he just went to my video. So say hi to everyone. Yes. Alright. So continue our video today. We're going to do some Wushu long fist combo tutorial. Use the 4 things to start today's tutorial for long fist. So the first thing, the hot techniques in long fist. And also the kick techniques in long fist. And also the elbows and wrestling. The 4 things for long fist. Let's just start the first move in our combo today. The slap kick, like punch and kick, and grabbing your leg until and punch again. So this is just like Danny Yan does. How to apply those techniques in forms training. So you open both leg and left leg behind. You step your left and you go slap kick. Your right hand from bottom go up and then you go slap kick. So make sure your toe point and slap hard. And after a swing, both hand go up and you go down, hit the floor. Whoa, yeah, it hurts, right? So let's go to the next part. The floor and you do another slap kick and then you make both hand the punch swoop. So this is a changquan technique mixed with a long fist. So this movement can be block, your right hand go up, and you twist, and then you punch, you twist again. This is called changquan. So you twist your shoulder and body lean back and you punch right here. So this movement used for the real application. You can tell from Jet Li's movement, he's go punch, 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 punch. So he always uses the left hand and right hand work together. They punch high and punch low, and left hand blocking, and punch, and left hand, and punch, and twist, punch. This is a great technique for real application. Also, beautiful to watch. Let's go to the next part. I'll show you after the punch. Your arm circles, you come back, you punch back, and turn with your elbow.
上下联动，双峰贯耳，头望月，双手封稳，全类齐发，太拳精妙。
Beautiful move. You do bigger you can. Arm straight, right arm go up, left arm follow, and you twist left hand and right. And your right hand come back, 超拳, and twist, you punch left, and come back with your right elbow. So this is attacking both sides. You can punch this way and come back your elbow and to the other side. Elbow is the most hard part in your body. It can be very hurtful. Then let's go to the wrestling part. much for watching the video. I love you all. I see you in next video. Bye bye. Oh, so good. This is the hard work long fist.
Palm.
Right, the palm. And also, what is this?
Fist.
The fist. And what is this?
Hook.
Hook hand. Oh. You have really kicked me up. Touch, and you go blocking, and then you gotta block in my arm, you twist, and then you gotta raise it. You pull down.
Like
Right. Yeah. Wow. This is the right hand.
this way.
Why, yes.